morning, guys. I was so tired. Like, I just decided that, hey, I'm sleeping in. Whatever time I wake up is what time I'm waking up. And I kind of just been in the bed. And then I saw this joke and I had to text like my mom, my dad, my sisters, and I texted one of my friends because I thought it was so funny. And so let me tell you what the joke was. So I texted my mom. And my mom and my dad, I said, have y'all heard of Murphy's Law? My mom said yes. And then I said, have you heard of Cole's Law? And she said no. All right. Text my sisters and I said, have y'all heard of Murphy's Law? And my one sister said, yeah, but tell me again. I said, well, have you heard of Cole's Law? And she said no. I told them, well, it's thinly sliced cabbage, and they laughed. One of them said, I can't stand you. My mom said, really? Question mark, question mark. Just some morning Saturday humor to brighten everybody's day and make everybody laugh. What do I have to do today? I'm going to finish like cleaning up a little bit. Just a little stuff I want to do. I need to decorate my tree. I need to pay my bills because it's like that time to pay your bills. Well, I try to like pay half of them halfway through the month and then the other half at the beginning of the month. So I like split them up. So I need to just make sure all that is taken care of. I need to create a grocery list. I need to return some items from yesterday. Which I'll probably do that later today though. And just make sure I know what I have to do for the rest of the week so I can stay on track. Doom. So we are about to get up and get the day started. Are y'all excited for Christmas? Ooh. I'm excited. I'm getting excited. Even though I'm gonna be by myself. I'm not cooking anything extraordinary. I'm gonna probably just make some cookies the night before, drink my little hot cocoa, watch some Christmas movies, call everybody. And that's pretty much it. But let me get on up. Let's see how my tree looks this morning. Y'all, last night I actually looked at it. I was being crazy because could not get the light right. And you know, because the sun wasn't out, but look y'all, I forgot that I could just turn the porch light on. Which is what I actually ended up doing last night. And I thought the tree looked nice. It looks like it has a little flock to it, right? Can you stop? Can y'all see that? Just enough, not too much. Is it wet still? A little bit. It smells good. I'm gonna have to figure out how I wanna style it. I'm gonna have to figure out how I wanna why is my neck itching? Oh. I gotta figure out how I want to style the tree and whatnot. That's what we're about to do after I get some breakfast because I'm a little hungry. I love how this turned out. I just added these flowers. It's so cute, right? Just adds that little touch to it. I'm getting rid of that thing right there. Whenever I moved here, me and my dad, we got it from this lady, but it's like broke, and honestly it doesn't match with anything. Like everything is black and gold looking, like very nice and clean. That right there has to go. So here is the tree. Let's start from the bottom, work our way up. I got this skirt from Home Goods. I got these beautiful balls from Michael's. And I got that ribbon from Hobby Lobby, as well as the grass, the rose gold grass. And I got the tree star from Target along with the lights. And this is my Christmas tree. I actually really love it. I'm really in love with the balls. I'm in love with how it turned out. I bought some wrapping paper to wrap up my gifts that my mommy and my sister got me. And any future gifts that I may get. But y'all, the wrapping paper, let me just show y'all. Let me turn my lights back on. It's getting so dark in here anymore. So I thought that the paper was gonna be like this rose gold color, right? But no, it's completely clear. So I'm gonna go back to the store and just exchange it for a color like a gold or a rose gold, whichever one I find. I'm not gonna like be searching around forever. So I'm going to Target. I'm just gonna exchange that one out and get a color like that goes with the tree. I mean, before back home, we didn't always make sure our wrapping paper matched our gifts. We would all just like, everybody would have their kind of particular paper for that are, why am I out of breath? Everyone would have their own specific wrapping paper that they wrapped their gifts in. I mean, and it always looked good because it's super full, but I mean, it's just me and I kind of just want the paper to wrap to match the tree just so everything's really cohesive. And so that is what I'm gonna do. Here's like the tree like in the light, guys, just so y'all can see how pretty these decorations are. I really love it. There's me right there. But yeah, I love it. The only thing I wish I would have done differently is sprayed more snow, because like the snow, I think once I started maneuvering the tree, it started falling off, but you know, you still get that effect a little bit, and I'm okay with that. It's not complete, it doesn't look completely green. So that's my Christmas tree. So yeah, what else am I doing today? I'm really not doing much else today. Oh, let me show y'all. Yesterday I told you guys I had went and like I made my little floral arrangements. So this is how this one turned out, and this one's in the kitchen. I really like it. It looks really good. My bathroom. This is how this one turned out. This might be the end of this vlog, guys. I know it's like the day is still pretty early, but I'm not gonna be doing that much today. I'm gonna do a makeup video that you'll see the next day or one of these days. If I do anything else, I will, you know, add those clips in. Y'all, these stores are crazy. Do not wait to the last minute to go shopping. Oh my God, next year I will plan better. Oh Lord, I had to switch to my camera on my phone, which I really don't like to use, but anywho, these stores are crazy, guys. Do not wait till the last minute to go grocery shopping. To go Christmas shopping. I will plan better next year, but I ended up taking the lights back that I didn't use, and I took back the wrapping paper, and I ended up getting this wrapping paper. It looks like it's probably gonna work. Like, look at this parking lot. I don't even think y'all, this phone is not gonna do it justice, like, cause y'all really can't see. Them stores crazy. Them people are crazy. I keep looking over here with the cameras over here. People are crazy. But I ended up getting this wrapping paper. I think it looks good. It'll go. If not, oh well, because we ain't coming back. So we just gotta take back 2 other items that I didn't use, and I'm good. I'm done. I'm D-O-N-E. All right, so I'm gonna wrap that. I'll show y'all how it looks when everything's all put together, and then that'll probably be the end of that vlog. So yeah. All right, guys. See ya. Hey guys, all right, so I'm all done with getting everything I need to do as far as getting my tree and everything together, and I'm all done wrapping my gifts, as you saw. I am going to go ahead and end the vlog, officially end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.